Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a video clip between two videos on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have created a project on my InShot application, and let's say we want to add clip to this area between this two videos, and we have to place this parameter between these two clips like this. And after that, we can tap on this plus button and select video or photo, and you're going to select a clip you would like to add to your project. And for example, I'm gonna go with wait guys, so for example, I'm gonna go with this clip, so we can tap on the clip, then just tap on this check mark button. Then if it appears in any random area where you don't want it to be, we have to drag it, so we can long press on the clip. Then I'm going to place this clip between these two clips like this. We can just drag it. Okay, and now we have added a clip between these two videos, and I'm going to take a look at the result. Okay, now as you can see that we have added this clip between two videos on InShot project. Alright guys, and that's how we can add video clip between two videos on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.